Hi everybody, Francisco here with 3D. Welcome back. What we're doing here today on this vehicle, I'm showing you what not to do with ceramic coating. Somebody applied ceramic coating on this car right here and didn't wipe it right and left highs and lows. And this right here is what not to do on a ceramic coating. This right here is permanent. The only way to remove this right here is gonna be by polishing it or maybe even sanding it. We're gonna try it to see what we can take it off with. First, I'm gonna hit it with 3D wipe, part number 115. This right here is a panel prep. This right here is like IPA, safer for the paint. I'm gonna spray it on her and see if it removes it. So now we're gonna remove it. Try to at least. And if you can see, it's still on there. That's the highs and lows from the ceramic. It's not a 3D ceramic. Not too sure what company it is or who did this. So now what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to clay it with 3D clay towel and our clay lube as a lubricant for the clay. We're gonna try to rub it off with the clay. It might help. We're gonna try the least aggressive method first all the time before we really get the big guns out. So if you can see, it did help a little bit. It did change them. I can see that it is eliminating them. So if you can see this piece right here, I'm gonna concentrate myself more on that area by just claying it. So it does take a lot of effort to remove, but it does remove it with the clay. If you can see, I did remove it, the hides. So the clay does work, but it takes a lot of effort to do it. It's gonna take you a lot of time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand it using 3000 grit sandpaper. What it's gonna do is gonna scuff the surface, eliminate all the ceramic on here, if I can be able to apply a different one and a better one and do it right. Stay tuned. All right, so now we're gonna sand the surface using RBL 3000 grit sandpaper. This right here is wet. This right here is very, very fine sandpaper. It's only gonna scuff the surface and I'm gonna use 3D1 to correct it. But first I'm gonna tape these chrome pieces off because if I sand these, they're done. You have to buy new ones. So I'm gonna mask them real quick. All right, so now I'm gonna sand it with 3000 grit sandpaper from RBL. This right here, it is wet. I'm only gonna scuff the surface, but it's gonna remove all of the ceramic coating on there. And right now I'm gonna use, is gonna be from the Glow series, is clay lube. All we need is lubrication for the sandpaper. I can use soap and water, but right now we're gonna use clay lube and a RBL sander. Removable with any type of abrasive, like any type of polish, 3D1, speed, 520, 502, will remove it. But right here, I wanna make sure I remove it completely because I'm gonna put 3D ceramic coating on top of it or any protection of your liking. Remember, lubrication. Keep your patterns. Like that, you sand nice and even and not have highs and lows with your sander. So you can see right here, I have an even surface now. Remember, You guys don't want to sand too much and sand the edge too much because you could burn it. The same thing as when you're polishing it. Be careful with your edges because you can burn it even faster with sandpaper. All right, so after we remove all the ceramic coating on this door right here, now we're gonna get ready to polish, and we're gonna use, to correct it, part number 400, 3D1. This right here is a compound polish, hybrid compound polish, and I'm gonna use a 21mm polisher from RBL. Never mind my tape right here. This right here is my Band-Aid, 3D Band-Aid. This right here is a spider pad, and pairing it up with 3D1. You always want to be even with your patterns. You always want to overlap. Like that you don't miss anything. And you have 100% correction. 3000 grit sandpaper is very, very light. That's why you can see shine come out very, very fast. And add a little bit more product. So now we're gonna check our work. Wow, look at that shine. This is the way they should have been done in the beginning. A full paint correction. This car did not have a paint correction before they put the ceramic coating on it. Now it's gonna be ready for that paint correction, that ceramic coating. All right, so you guys see the big day and night difference. Now I'm gonna continue, I'm gonna finish the rest of it. And then after we're gonna clean it with 3D wipe and protect it. Stay tuned. All right, so now that I took off and recorrected all the sand marks using 3D1, now we're gonna get ready to wipe it down with 3D wipe. And with 3D wipe is a panel prep. It's gonna take off all the oils and imperfections you have right here, all the oils, waxes, fingerprints, smudges you might left behind. It's gonna make a nice clean surface like that. You can put the protection that you want of your liking. Right now, what I'm gonna put, after I do a 3D wipe, I'm gonna put from the Glow Series SL2 ceramic wax. This customer particularly didn't want to spend another $500 applying ceramic coating because he had a bad experience and he doesn't want to waste his money again. So you detailers out there, it's very important that you apply your ceramic coating on your customer car very good, because then you kill it for everybody else, because then they have a bad experience and don't want to spend that money anymore, and then we don't make that money. So you guys have to make everything right. Like that we make that cheese, and like that your customers keep on wanting more stuff to put onto their cars. Now, let's clean it with 3D wipe and apply ceramic wax. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. All right, so if you guys can see and notice that I remove all the highs and lows. Now, if you can see the other panels, like this door that I didn't see, you guys are gonna see the highs and lows all around. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.